The Yangtze Three Gorges is famous for its breathtaking scenery. Today, we're taking you on a tour of an amazing cruise ship sailing this iconic route. Let's dive in. It's said that has a stunning 5-story hollow transparent lobby, huge river view terrace rooms, an elegant panoramic restaurant, and a romantic coffee bar with amazing lighting. Let's go see if it lives up to the hype. The circular skylight, artistic chandeliers, and gold and white spiral structure blend together so beautifully. A cruise ship full upon here. The restaurant is connected to the lobby, and the vibe is perfect. Warm lighting, red and white chairs paved with Chinese lanterns, and big portals letting in natural light. It's elegant but also cozy. There's an observation elevator on board. Let us take that upstairs to check out the rooms. The high-ceilinged lobby and luxurious chandeliers make every step feel like a new visual treat. The presidential suite has its own private entrance and signage. Total privacy. The living room is spacious and elegant. Plush surface, green plants. And floor-to-ceiling windows with views of the Jialing River. The bedroom gets so much natural light too. Waking up to that river view must be incredible. The bathroom in the suite is fully equipped. A separate bed top. Double vanities. And a shower area. The gym has all the equipment you need for cardio and strength training. Perfect for staying active while on vacation. The hallways on the ship are decorated with wood paneling. They also have Chinese blue and white porcelain on display, blending culture and aesthetics so well. Finally, the sun deck. This place is amazing. Perfect for taking in the Three Gorges scenery and snapping photos. They have lunch chairs and tables here too. You can relax and soak up the chill river vibe. Would you add this to your travel list? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.